Hi, I'm Monique Bradley for Guide to Better Shopping. If you followed my journey online, you probably know that I've lost over 40 kilos in weight. And while that's a great success and it's really helped my health, one of the downsides of weight loss that a lot of people don't talk about is the fact that you end up with excess skin or creping of the skin, cellulite, and fat deposits that just don't seem to move. That's why I'm really excited about this product. I've been personally testing it and I'm loving the results. It's called the 3-in-1 Slimming and Beautifying Machine. It's also nicknamed the Ultrasonic because it is an ultrasonic device. And if you've ever heard of fat cavitation or non-invasive liposculpture, that's basically what this machine does. One of the added benefits though is skin firming. So if you've ever ended up with a little bit of turkey neck from aging or weight loss, this is going to be the product that you will absolutely love. So let me talk you through what the machine does. First of all, the top part of the machine, this is the fat cavitation device. This heats up and it helps mobilize fat. So it breaks down stored fat cells under the skin, helps with cellulite, but it also helps with skin firming as well. This is what I've been using on my turkey neck. So if you don't know what my turkey neck looked like before, here's an image of what it looked like just 3 days ago compared to what my turkey neck looks like now. So I'm pretty excited that my turkey neck has reduced by about 75%. And all I did was one 10-minute session once a day for 3 days. So I'm really excited about how I'm going to look in a week, in a month, and in a year. It's super exciting. Another benefit of this is around the outside. You've got infrared, which is fantastic. So this part lights up and it helps with the healing process. And the third function in this machine, there's a button here that says EMS, that stands for electromagnetic stimulation. So you add some electrodes into the machine. So they're here in the box. There's actually 4 in there that you can add. You add in 2 at a time. You pop them onto acupressure points or you can pop them onto your muscles. It stimulates the muscles and basically helps you burn fat. If you pop them onto your acupressure points, it'll help with the mobilization of fat and with skin firming at the same time. So it really is a fantastic multi-function machine. And the great thing is this machine costs less than one salon or spa treatment. So you can use it in your own home and get great results for as long as you like. So one of the things you need to know is you will need to use some sort of lubricant on your skin. One of the bonuses is that I actually love the people from Cathy Organics. They have a skin firming oil, which I also used on my turkey neck. So as the machine heats up, it stimulates that dermal layer and allows that oil to penetrate deeper to help with repair. And for those of you in different parts of the world, so there's the oil, this is literally from my bathroom. And for those of you in different parts of the world, it also comes with an adapter device. So it doesn't matter where you are, this machine will work for you wherever you are in the world. And finally, the machine also comes with an instruction manual. This gives you everything you need to know. It's really simple to read and it gives you all the information you need about being safe with the machine, how long to use it for, what each function does, and the areas of your body you can use it on and how to use it. So if you want to find out more, I urge you to head to Guide to Better Shopping and take a look at what the machine can offer you, the science behind it, and you will relish in the results. I give this product a 5-star rating. I'm Monique Bradley. Thank you so much for watching.